Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign out of your Solflare wallet. In order to log out or sign out of your Solflare wallet, open up your Solflare wallet application first. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to select Security and Privacy. Now, under Security and Privacy, go to the bottom and tap the Logout button. Remember that after tapping on Logout, you'll remove all the wallets and clear all the data from the app. Make sure you have your recovery phrases for your wallet before you log out of it. If you've backed up your recovery phrases before, there should be no problem. You can log out anytime you want. Tap on the Logout button to log out of your account and click Continue. Log out only if you have safely stored your recovery phrase and private key. Tap on this toggle button right next to I understand and tap Log Out to log yourself out of the wallet. So that is how you easily log out or sign out of Solflare wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.